All right, so I'm gonna have us do a side lying series. Glutes, hamstrings, quads. I'm on 2 reds and a blue on a balanced body reformer. You wanna stack up on the side. I normally would hold the peg. If you only have the shoulder block, you could do that. Make sure you're stacked up. I'm gonna have my head on the headrest lifted. So stacked up, tiny lift in the waist, full foot on the foot bar. I'm just gonna keep the bottom leg bent and in, and then pushing out and then coming in. So this hand could go here, it could go on the hip. You wanna stabilize the body. We'll do 10 of everything. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting, or you can stretch. And then the next one is going to be high heel. So you want to lift the heel up. We're going to do different foot positions. So this is the harder one, pushing out and then coming in, trying to keep the heel lifted the whole time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then the pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest, or you could stretch. Ooh, that one I always think is the hardest one. All right, so now we're gonna go external. We're gonna bring the toes up to the ceiling. We're opening the hip up. You're on the heel, pushing out, coming in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then the pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting or stretching. I'm actually going to pull the leg back and stretch. That was a challenge. And then we have to do the other side. Okay. So stacking up, trying to be in the center as much as you can. Head's on the headrest. You could have it down, but I do like it lifted up. Okay, full foot on the foot bar, bottom leg bent in. You are lifted in the waist. And then when you're ready, pushing out, coming in, trying to stay stacked up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and then the pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You could stretch or rest. Okay, next one is the high heel. So you would push the foot back a little bit, lift the heel up, and then pushing out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, halfway pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting or stretching. And then I'm going to do the heel on, toes up to the ceiling. Last one, opening the hip up, pushing out, coming in. It's good to do both sides because one side could be different than the other. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting. I'm gonna stretch. I'm gonna pull the leg back. Breathing. Yeah, but that is a little bit of side lying that you could do on the reformer. Definitely challenging. There's a lot you could add to it, but that's just a basic side lying. Till next time.